Hey guys, what's going on? Chad here with another product review. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Beck Co. And today I'm excited to say that my wife Tara is going to be joining me today on this review. So go ahead and give her an emoji below in the comments. Let me know that if you like her being here with us or not. We're going to get right into this right after this intro. Okay, guys, so a little bit about this company. I didn't know anything about this company. 2 months ago, I reached out to Chad Beck and inquired about his product, said I would like to check it out and review it. He was gracious enough to send me some things. I have really grown to respect this company. Chad and his wife, Katie Beck, started this company back in 2019. The website says he's been rocking a beard for the last 20 years and they are from the Houston, Texas area. One thing that I love about this company is not only do they have really good products with good ingredients in them, I like the fact that they have a mission behind their work. They support the local ministry and churches and they pour back into them. And I can get behind that because we are a family of believers. We believe in Jesus Christ. And anytime I see a company that has great products, but also is doing a greater work than just this, I'm behind it 100%.
Absolutely.
So, with that said, before we start, I want to say a couple things I want to show. First of all, I've got this pic I want to show here in just a second, but I want to show this cool shirt. It's got a picture, an image of Jesus on it, and it says, Jesus in my heart, Beck Co. in my beard. Really like it.
Cool.
I love black, the color. I really thought this shirt was really awesome, and you can get one of these for $25 on the website. And so I like the way it feels. It's a nice, I believe this is probably a pre-wrung cotton. It's really, really, um, it's not too loose. I don't like things too loose, but I don't like things too baggy or too tight. So it just feels really, really good. With that said, he sent me this really cool pic from the Beck Co. It is a balm pic. I don't know if I'm going to use this for the balm. I might throw it out to somebody in a concert and say, hey, here you go. And then they see it and go, what is this B? Is this for Boney? But really, it's not. It's for Beck. Chad Beck. Beck Co. So, cool pic, guys. And I believe you probably get one of these anytime you buy your balm with this company. With that said, we're going to get into the beard oils today. First beard oil up, we're going to talk about Black Gold. This is a 1 ounce bottle. I do like the cool pump tops. Really, really nice when it comes to if you spill it, or if you tip it over on accident, you won't spill all of your oil out as opposed to if you have a dropper top, or I guess if you have a restrictor cap, it wouldn't really necessarily spill out. But if you have a dropper top cap, it would. This is really cool. I get about 2 pumps and I'm good for my beard right now. And my wife here is going to read the scent profile.
All right. This says oud wood, black sandalwood, musk, and amber. And it's for $15 for 1 ounce. It smells good.
This is the Black Gold, which is going to be that oud.
Yes, I smell a lot of the oud in it. And I like the oud a lot.
We are a family that loves oud. We burn oud wax melts here.
Yes. I like that.
I have several oud fragrances, and I get a lot of the amber and the oud in this.
Definitely the oud. I smell that.
It is kind of musky too. Really, really nice. I like the way it's blended really well. Yeah. I love the consistency of this. This is a thicker viscosity. It does have the castor oil in it. So yeah, this is a 1 ounce bottle. I will say that all of the oils we're going to talk about, they come in a 1 ounce or a 2 ounce. 1 ounce bottles are going to run you $15, and if you spend $10 more, you get the double the size, which is 2 ounces. So keep that in mind. It's going to be Man Cave. Before we talk about this one, I want to say when I first got this in the mail, I put this on and I kept smelling my beard all night long. And it is a very, very unique smell. It smells very unique. I don't know what I'm getting out of this. It's got a bunch of things in this, but a lot of the stuff that's in it is some of my favorite scents. Favorite notes, I should say. Really, really like this one. If you want something deep and complex and unique, this is one you got to check out. It is the Man Cave. Man Cave. My wife will be talking about the scent profile.
All right. Leather, whiskey, tobacco, fur. And it's for $12.
All right, men, who out there does not like the smell of whiskey, leather, um, tobacco, and fur? I mean, that's just like a man wrapped up in different scents here.
It smells kind of like a new car. Like, the leathery smell when you get into a fresh, clean car.
I can see that. We do have a vehicle that has leather seats, so I can see that. I do get that leather. So, man, I like leather. I like leather, whiskey, tobacco. This one I really, really like because it has a lot of the scents that I love and a lot of the fragrances that I have. I'm going to take a moment. I'm going to read the ingredients. The ingredients are the same across the board for all of these oils. It's going to be argan oil, apricot oil, sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, castor oil, and your fragrance oil. Okay, guys, so the rest of these oils are going to be in their sample sets. So these are all the samples. I did get the two, as I showed you already, in the 1 ounce, but these are going to be in the sample. So you can get all of these in a sample kit, and I'll drop the link below. And pricing you can find on their website.
As far as scent profile, exotic oud, tonka, vanilla, white lily. And this one goes for $15. I don't really smell a whole lot on this one. It's like not very strong to me. I smell a little bit, but it's not a bad smell. It's just not really strong.
Okay, so to me, in my nose, this one is a lot darker than some of these other ones that we're going to be talking about. This is one that I would categorize more of a fall and winter scent for the colder weather. The reason I say that is because I get a lot of the tonka bean in it. A little bit of the oud, but I get more of the tonka in it. So this one to me, I would probably wear more in the winter and the fall season. Not bad. It's not as strong as the last two, but it is a good one. Okay, guys, we're moving to the next one. This is the Boardwalk. Boardwalk.
All right. And the scent profile, ozone, sea salt, cardamom, amber, citrus. And it goes for $12. I smell the citrus. It's refreshing. I like it. I like that one.
Okay, guys, ladies and gentlemen, if you're looking for a nice spring and summer scent in your beard oil, this is a good choice. It's got the citrus note in it that shines. It is more predominant. I like it. I think I'll be rocking it more in the hot temperatures that we're having right now. So again, this is Boardwalk, and it's pretty nice and pleasing.
Yeah, I like that one.
Okay, this next one we're going to talk about is called the English Gentleman, and it's one that I was asking Chad about before I got it. I said, man, that sounds really, really interesting because it's got the cherry tobacco in it, the cherry pipe tobacco in it, and I'm a big fan of pipe tobacco. I haven't smelt a whole lot of beard oils that have necessarily the cherry pipe tobacco. I have smelled a little bit, but everybody's got their own take on it. And I was curious, and wanted to see what his take was. We're going to let my wife check it out and tell us what she thinks.
This one's a little hard for me to smell. Oh.
Don't get very much of the pipe tobacco, but I get more of the cherry and the vanilla. It's a pleasing, good scent. It's just not that strong,
yeah,
compared to the others. So if you're okay with having a beard oil that's not going to have a lingering scent, this is one that would be safe probably, at least to my nose. It's a good scent. I like it. It's not as strong as the other ones. So next one is going to be Surfer's Paradise. Surfer's Paradise.
All right. It has spice, tobacco leaf, teakwood, ginger, sandalwood, and this one goes for $12 for the 1 ounce. I like this one.
Me too.
Let me smell it again.
I personally get some of the teak wood. I get some of the ginger.
Yeah, I smell the teak wood on this one.
Not as much sandalwood. I can smell it in the background. A little bit of the tobacco leaf I can see, but mainly I smell a lot of the teak wood and the ginger. It's pretty good.
Yeah.
I think this is another one that you could rock in the summer and springtime. Man, that's really good. I like that one a lot. Okay, guys, so the next one we're going to go over on the beard balm is going to be Man Cave. And I will say that this has the same scent profile as the oil, but I will read the ingredients that are the same in all the beard balms. You got beeswax, mango butter, coconut oil, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, apricot oil, and fragrance oil. This is the consistency of the beard balm. As you can see, I've used some of this. I'm not a huge beard balm guy, but I did want to give it due diligence and check it out.
It's nice.
Yeah, it smells really, really good, and it worked really, really well with taming the beard. I will say that I don't have a lot of flyaways. I usually use more butters than beard balm, so I'm excited to see the beard butter that's coming out from Chad soon. I did speak with him the other day, and he said that he's almost perfected it. So I'm excited to check it out, and hopefully I can maybe get some kind of cool oud beard butter from him, or maybe one of the ones that we talked about for like a spring summer scent, Surfer's Paradise, or who knows, maybe even the Boardwalk. So I do like the ozone.
You
smell.
can get that one for $12 for the 1 ounce, and then for double that, you can get it 2 ounces for $20. So.
Yep. So it's a good deal, guys. The next one on the list is going to be the English Gentleman. As I said before, same scent profile, and it's going to have the same ingredients as the last one. Now, these are the heavy hold beard balms. They have a really, really good hold, as I said before, and they work really well when it comes to holding down your beard, your flyaways. So, all right, guys, so we're going to check out the wax. This is going to be the last two things that we're going to be reviewing from this company. The one that we're going to talk about is the beard wax. Looks like this. It is a wax for your beard. It just helps you with the flyaways. And
it's black gold.
That nice oud smell to it.
Yep.
Same scent profile as the beard oil. It's got the oud wood, sandalwood, musk, and amber. This does really, really well with taming your flyaways. So I'm not a big wax guy. I don't like balms really because of the beeswax. Nothing wrong about beeswax. I'm just not a big fan of it because my beard it's long enough where I don't have a lot of flyaways, and if I do, they're taken care of by blow drying it from the heat. So we give it a chance and tried it out, and it worked good. If you're into wax, you'll like this. The next one that I have, and that was a finishing wax. This one's a mustache wax, so it's a little different. It's got the same ingredients in it. It's got the same scent profile.
It's a white gold.
That one was the black gold. This is the white gold. It's going to have that oud in it as well, the tonka.
I like that one so much.
She likes this one. This is the one that I said I'd probably use more for like the fall and the winter time. Really, really good. Now, as I said, this is a mustache wax. So I like curling my mustache into handlebars, as you can see. My wife absolutely digs it. She loves it. Not really. She hates with a passion handlebars when it comes to mustaches. That's why I don't have one. But this does work really, really well. If you do rock a mustache, you got to check this out because this wax works really, really good. It holds really, really well, and it smells incredible.
It does.
So, with that said, we've got the mustache wax, the beard wax, the heavy hold balm, the beard balm, and all the oils. And my final thoughts on this company is I really have grown to like this company. I feel like the scents last a long time. The scent duration is just beast mode. I put it on at night, smell it all the way in the morning when I'm getting ready for work. I remember the first day it came, I threw some of the Man Cave in and was smelling it throughout the whole day. Very unique. I like that. I give it a number 1 for uniqueness when it comes to scents like this one, Man Cave. Very unique. I think it's really cool how they have the cool picks. It just kind of fit me, as a musician. I love the shirt. Come on, guys. This is pretty awesome. To be honest with you, how many people will put a shirt on their website these days that has Jesus on it and talks about Jesus?
Yep.
Come on, let's be honest. A lot of people don't want to talk about Jesus, but I really appreciate this company being willing to do stuff like this because it honors God. And it's a company that's just wanting to do things right. Chad Beck seems like a really straight up guy. I've had nothing but good conversations with him, no problems at all. He's a good guy to work with, and also offers other things that I have not showcased on this review today. For instance, he's got razors, shaving cream, solid colognes, and much more. It's going to have to go over to his website, beckco.com, and check out what he has to offer. I have a discount code that will save you 10% on any of these items that I've listed today. As I said before, I do like the thick viscosity. It does make my beard look thicker and appear thicker and feels thicker. And so with that said, guys, if you could do me a big favor and hit that thumbs up and like this video, it does help the channel. Go ahead and subscribe. I would love for you to be a part of my community. My wife says hit that notification bell so that way you are up to date with every review that I post on this channel about men's grooming, beard products, and much, much more. So thanks a lot so much, guys, for staying around to the end. So do me a favor, guys. If you enjoyed my wife being in this review with me today, drop a comment below. Let us know.
And as always, stay blessed and stay bearded.